Hey, good morning. Sanibonani. Ninjani niyaphila? Asithembe niyaphila nibingelela mfowethu Mkhonza ekuseni nje. Asithembe niyaphila bafethu konke kuhamba ngendlela. Ngamukele onke ama-new subscribers to this channel. Ngwabonga ngokusubscribe, ngiphinde ngamukele onke ama-followers amasha ku-TikTok. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi nisijoyine la. Bese ngibonga nje wonke umuntu okhona la kule channel ku-TikTok naku YouTube. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Uma ungaka-subscribe futhi ungaka-follow ngiyacela nawe wenze kanjalo. Le video yami emfishane ivideo engizoyenza eqondene ikakhulukazi ngizokhuluma ngama-social worker angasebenzi. Unemployed social workers. Ngicela ukukhuluma nani la kule video. Unemployed social workers. If you are an unemployed social worker and confused and you are just sitting there depressed, ubathe ufaka ama-CV akucaci, ubathe uzama ukuthola mhlambe even ama-opportunity to volunteer, it doesn't happen. And now ufundile une-bachelor's degree social work, everything yakho i-up to date. Bengizothi kuwe mina kunokuthi ube stressed kanjalo. Ake wenze na into enzima kodwa engicabanga ukuthi izokwenza ukuthi wehle leyo depression noma izokwenza ukuthi ungaboni noma ungaview i-social work njenge-degree e-useless, engenamsebenzi and all that, njengoba abanye sebesho ukuthi it's useless. Social work can never be useless. Into e-useless is the system ekhona eSouth Africa. Into eyenza kube nzima ukuthi uthole umsebenzi indlela okuholwa ngayo lelizwe, indlela okuphethwe ngayo lelizwe. It's not social work. Ama-social worker ayadingeka eSouth Africa. Noma ungahamba manje ubheke ama-research akenziwe eSouth Africa, you'll find ukuthi ama-social worker adingekayo eSouth Africa angaphezu kuka-500,000 adingekayo eSouth Africa. Kule simo nje esinje ey'kolweni, kule simo esinje emphakathini, kule simo esinje emakhaya, ama-social worker ayadingeka. It's just that abantu abaphethe lelizwe ba-blind, ababoni, bavalekile engqondweni, ababoni ukuthi ama-social workers aphethe inqwaba yama-solutions abawafunayo ukulungisa isimo salelizwe, ukulungisa lezi zinto ezenzeka emakhaya, o-domestic violence or rape, ukulungisa lesimo esisey'kolweni, iy'ngane ezibhuli ngaleyo ndlela esikolweni, zikhokhela othisha imese, zilwa nothisha, zilwa nezinye iy'ngane, ziyahlupha, zibhema ama-drugs. Ama-social workers, they have all those solutions. Bafundisiwe ngokudila nezimo ezinjengalezo. So you ask yourself, for example, ukuthi yini eyenza uhulumeni ungaqinisekisi ukuthi all public schools, each and every public school ekhona ine-social worker lakhona. So yini wena mawubheka? Yingoba they don't know and they don't understand le power ekhona kwi-social work. They don't understand the relevance ekhona ku-social work ekudileni ney'nkinga ezikhona ey'kolweni, ey'khona emakhaya, ey'khona emphakathini. So ngifuna ukuzothi-ke kini eningama-social workers angasebenzi lana, mhlambe senginga-eda nama-auxiliary social workers. Ngizothi kini ake nisondele lapha ey'kolweni ey'seduze nalapho nihlala khona. Ake usondele nje esikolweni sangakini ngoba vele angithi vele awunayo imali yokugibela, awunayo imali yokhu njani yokwenza izinto ey'ningi. So wena mhlampe ungawokha nje uye esikoleni ufike ucele i-appointment no-principal, bese lapha ku-principal uyasho ukuthi uyi-social worker engasebenzi, ucela ukuzothola la esikoleni ukuthi iwaphi ama-challenges ababhekene nawo ngabantwana. Uzokuchazela kuthisha ukuthi nawa, bese kubuza ukuthi mhlampe wena ungasisiza kanjani lapho. And then wena uzobe sewenza i-program yokuthi kulawo problems azobe ewasho u-principal, yiphi i-program ocabanga ukuthi wena ungafitha kuyo ukuthi, for example, ake ngithi kunenkinga kuleso sikole ngokuthi abantwana bayalova too much, noma abantwana bayabhulishana too much, noma lapho kuleso sikole kubhoke i-teenage pregnancy ngendlela exakile, noma kuleso sikole kunabantwana aba-HIV positive. Usungabuka-ke wona ukuthi yikuphi ongakwenza ukuthi isikolo usi-advise ukuthi si-identify labo bantwana, kwenziwe i-list yabo, bese wenza ama-group sessions nalabo bantwana. Uyazi-ke wena uma sikhuluma nge-group work ukuthi sikhuluma ngani, angithi uyi-social worker, uyazi uma uyi-Oaks futhi nawe uyazi i-group work ukuthi yenziwa kanjani. Uyakhona ukuthi ukhulume nothisha, u-principal aku-arrange-ele, uzohle ufika lapho kuleso sikolo mhlampe iviki noma kanye ngeviki noma kabili, uzoconduct-a lawo ma-groups alawo bantwana for lawo 30 minutes to 45 minutes or to an hour. Uyayibona, ngeke uze uhole lutho, but i-difference uzobe uyenzile kuleso sikolo, futhi uzobe uyenzile i-difference nakuwe ngokwakho as a social worker, because le experience ozobe uyigeyina lapho, leso sikolo noma ngabe sekuwukuthi wena ufuna umsebenzi, ungasifaka as i-reference leso sikolo, u-principal wasesikole ukuthi asho ukuthi uyakwazi, angakhona ukuchaza ukuthi yini bowuyenza esikoleni sakhe and all that, ukhona uyothola. Kodwa nje okubaluleke nakakhulu, ungahlali, ungathi ngokuthi ufaka ama-CV ungawutholi umsebenzi bese uyahlala. No, don't do that. Wake up every morning, move around, posta kuma-Facebook page wakho, ubhale ukuthi uyi-social worker, nazi izinto ongakhona ukuzi-provide-a emphakathini wangakini, kuma-issues umphakathi wakini obhekene nawo. Ucela abantu bakuthinte, bakhulume nawe kulawo ma-details lawo and all that. Ukhona ukuthi uyo-provide-a whatever you can provide, whatever you can contribute emphakathini wangakini. Akusicala lelo. And then mhlampe ngokuhamba kwesikhathi uma ngabe sekuzodingeka ukuthi ugcine u-charge ama-fees athile ukuthi bakukhokhele for ama-services akho, kuzobe sekufuneka-ke mhlampe lapho uhlangabezane nendaba yokuthi uregister as a private social worker. Uyayibona, ukhona nawe ukuphila as a private social worker. Ngoba uma ngabe sizohlala kanje silinde umsebenzi ku-government, ngeke kuze kwenzeke. I can assure you, especially kulo government osiphethe la South Africa oholwa yi-ANC. I have to be clear on that. Ngeke. Yabona nje mina ngike ngazama kaningi ukukhuluma indaba yokuthi u-government awufaka ama-social worker ey'kolweni. You'll be surprised ukuthi ngiseshe ama-emails even e-office lika-President Ramaphosa. Yabo, bekusekhona nobaba uDD Mabuza, ewu-Deputy President, i-office lakhe ngasenda nakhona ukuthi nake ngicabanga ukuthi bangakwenza, fakani ama-social worker ey'kolweni, noma kuwukuthi mhlawumpe angeke kube na-salary but i-stipend singenza enkulu i-difference, because lawo ma-social worker azokhona ukugeza, akhona ukugibela iteksi aye emsebenzini, afike asize othisha kulo mthwalo ababhekene nawo abantwana abahluphayo, abantwana abaney'dingo ey'hlukahlukene ezidinga ama-social worker. You'll find ukuthi uma ungabheka lapha ku-system ye-government, if ulapho ku-government ungabona bengifuna ukusho lokho kuthanga, is it kuthanga? Yes, kulo le veki, I think it was on Monday, ngithola i-call, yes, ngithola i-call evela e-office lika president beyibhale sitha or something bangitshela ukuthi bayithola i-email yami engayisenda ngo-2018. Uyezwa kami bangitshela kanje, we got your email that you sent in 2018 labo ukhuluma khona ngokuthi uyafisa kufakwa ama-social worker ey'kolweni. Uyazi mina ngitshela ukuthi mhlambe kukhona into enesense abazoyisho uma bengifonela bathi senza i-survey based on leyo email yakho ukuthi ngabe i-service owayithola ngokuthumela leyo email ungathini ngayo. Awuchaze waphenduleka yini, wasizakala, kube udissatisfied kuyo yonke into abayishoyo kuleyo survey bebangibuzayo, because angizange ngisizala. And mina nje into engimangazile ukuthi le email bayithola but they didn't do anything about it ukuthi kufakwe ama-social worker ey'kolweni. But now they confirm ukuthi they got it, but they are doing nothing about it. It tells you ukuthi social workers, you are on your own. Yilokho mina engakusho, you are on your own. Do it yourself. If they can't do it for you, government, do it yourself. Visit nearby schools. Ufake ilokhunjana laphiyana i-proposal. Usho ukuthi othisha mabanenkinga yengane so abayi-identify lezo ingane bayi-refere kuwe uyisize. Yebo, lezo ingane ugcina uhamba wenza nama-home visit kubazali bazo. Yebo, mhlawumbe ungacela i-donation ukuthi okay mhlawumbe ningangisiza ngama-donations njengesikolo mangabe nakhona nikhona kodwa nakubazali balabo bantwana mhlawumbe bangenza ama-donations kuzokhona ukuthi uthole mhlawumbe leyo lunch nawe mawulapha wenza lo msebenzi ukhone nawe ukuthi wenzeni ugibele itaxi makuwukuthi kufuna uzogibela itaxi ukuya kuleso sikolo. That's all I can say ma-social work. Let's not sit nento ebaluleke kangaka. Sifunde u4 years wonke singama-social work, siqeqeshiwe, sinekhono, and we are proud ngokuba nekhono elinjengaleli because li-rare and li-solution edingekayo le engasetshenziswa izwe njengoba linjena nje. Buka nje for example bulawana left right and center, kubulana abantu abathandanayo babhekene nenkinga ngama-relationships, abantu abashadile. Konke lokho sifundisiwe ngako thina ku-social work ukuthi labo bantu labo bangasizwa kanjani, belulekwe kanjani. Ngabe sonke lesihlava lesi asenzeki ukube ama-social worker aya-recognize kule country. So yiko ngithi social worker, stand up, do it yourself. If kuwukuthi futhi uyi-social worker, you are sitting there and you need advice and assistance on doing that, nami ungangithinta. There's nothing much that I get, but ngiyakhona ukuphila, ngenza yona le nto enginitshela yona la. Nami I'm unemployed as we speak. I'm unemployed. Ngibe nenhlanhla kodwa mina ngoba sengike ngasebenza kuma-NGOs ahlukahlukene futhi sengike ngabamba nama-internships ka-DSD. So khona ulwazi esenginalo ne-experience esenginayo. Mhlawumbe singayishare kakhulukazi for those abangazange bake bathole ne-opportunity yokuthi basebenze as social workers. Singaxoxisana, nawo ama-details ami la ku-screen. Please use them. Nayi email la, nayi number ongayi-WhatsApp. Let's plan it. Ungitshele ukuthi ukuphi isikolo okuso, ngizoku-advise ukuthi iya laphiyana ukhulume no-principal kanje. Lo nyaka lo ka-2026 kukhona esingakwenza okungasibonisa ukuthi mangabe singaqhubeka nangonyaka ozayo lelizwe leli singalishintsha thina singama-social workers kusezandleni zethu. Nge-support esingayenza to each other singakushintsha konke lokhu okwenzakalayo ezweni lethu. Si-provide ama-services even singasebenzi, sifake lihlazo lo-government, sibonakale senza imisebenzi kwi-community okufanele ngabe yenziwa abantu abaholelwayo u-government, kodwa uthole ukuthi ayenzeki because into yenzayo uhulumeni lama-social worker awaqashile iningi lawo afike laphiyana mayeseqashiwe kuhulumeni. Yazi kuba inkinga kuvama kuba yini, afike axakwe i-workload, fika uhulumeni awathi fuhle ngomsebenzi omningi, kube nomsebenzi we-paperwork omningi. Ama-social worker uthole ukuthi asuspenda isikhathi eseqile nesiningi nge-paperwork. asuspenda isikhathi esiningi nge-paperwork, benza into uthola i-social worker eyi-1 ngenyanga, mhlawumbe ibhekene nama-case more than 20 ngenyanga, uyi-1 kodwa yena. Yini lapho expectile ukuthi ingenzeka ibe effective ekusizeni abantu ey'nkingeni zabo? Akulula bafethu. Uhulumeni uyena owenza izinto zibe nzima, akahlelekile ngoba ukuba uhlakaniphile uhulumeni, yes, abengawaqasha lawa waqasha ama-social worker, kodwa awethule umthwalo. Ngani na? Ngokuthi ufake imali eningi kuma-NGOs, la kunama-social workers khona kuma-NGOs. Lawo ma-social worker alekelele ukuthula umthwalo lawa asebenza ku-government. Bese uphinde uqhubeka wenzani uhulumeni? Ukhiphe noma ama-stipends kulawa abangekho employed, abangama-social worker, babafake ey'kolweni, public schools, konke ama-public school basebenze khona, balekelele othisha ey'nkingeni ababhekene nazo ey'dinga ama-social worker. Uyayibona? So labo bothisha labo bazokhona ukuthi ba-refer iy'ngane kulama-social worker. Lama-social worker azokhona futhi ukusebenzisana nabo bo-D_S_D nalama-NGOs akhona emphakathini, kulekelelwane kusizwe, because ukusiza umntwana, for example, or ukusiza ifamily or ukusiza an individual akusinto engenziwa umuntu oyedwa noma i-social worker eyodwa. Kufuneka lento ekuthiwa i-interdisciplinary ngathini, kuhlangane ama-disciplines ahlukahlukene, interdisciplinary commitment kuloyo muntu ukuthi bamlekelele aze abe lento afanele abe yiyo, noma lelo khaya abalisizayo balisize behlangene. So yingakho ngithi ma-social workers sukumeni thina singasebenzi. Ake sibe akusizi ukuthi siphike ukuba nama-groups la sihlangana khona sikhulume ngey'nkinga zama-social worker, akusizi yonke le nto leyo. Nawe uyakubona mhlawumbe soke waba kuma-groups amaningi ko-Facebook, ko-WhatsApp, usizakele? No, akukakusizi. Yingakho mina ngithi manje zisize wena manje ngokuthi phuma wena as an individual uye esikolweni sangakini, noma esisodwa noma ezimbili, lezo nje eziseduze nawe ungakhona ukuya, ufike uyicelele wena ku-principal ukuthi angiqashiwe, kodwa ey'nkingeni ezikhona la esikolweni enibhekene nazo kubantwana ningangibalela zona, niba-identify bese ngiyabasiza. Uzenzela wena izinto zibe lula kanjalo. That's my advice to you. Poste na ku-Facebook wakho, poste ku-social media wakho ukuthi this is the services that you provide. Abazali abaney'nkinga ey'so abakuthinte, ukhona ukusebenza. Yiloko okudingekayo njengamanje bafethu. Ukulinda uhulumeni, hhayi kuzokuphathisa ngekhanda. Yiloko nje ngifuna ukusho. This is my advice to you social workers who are unemployed. Take my advice and contact me. Sikhulume le ndaba siye phambili. Umfoka Mkhonza lo, uPrince Mkhonza, i-social worker esinesikhathi kulo mkhakha. Ngaqala as an auxiliary social worker ngo-2010. Ngaphinde ngaqhubeka as a social worker ngo-2015 kuze kube manje. I'm doing that job. So kuningi esingafundisana kona, nami mhlawumbe kuningi futhi engakufunda kuwo. Let's go and help our communities. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bafethu. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Let's push this channel. If you haven't followed ku TikTok, do so. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bafethu ngesupport yenu. Sesiyodibana ke kwivideo elandelayo. Mfoka Mkhonza lo, niphile bafowethu, nibe nosuku oluhle. Thank you so much.